So it's recording. So we open up the internet and you go to your favorites and find Ellume session. And wait for it to load. And now you click here, demo room. Put in your email. And the name of your class or your teacher. And then over here, you click login. And now you wait for it to load. Don't touch anything. This pop-up, you have to click open. Wait for it to load. This one, you can check this so that it doesn't come back again, and then you click run. And the virtual classroom will open. And if you get an error at this point, it would be here, but we got no errors. And you're in, so your name should appear here. And what you're going to do is test your microphone. So you go up to Tools, Audio, put your microphone in your ear, your headset in your ear. Put your headset in your ear and test your audio out and your audio in. And it guides you through it. So if you just read the directions right here, once your headset is on, it tells you what to do. And then it tells you to play this and listen. If you can hear it, you're good. You can just press stop if you hear it or listen to the lady. But I heard it, so I don't have to play the whole thing. And it asks me if I heard it. I say yes. Now I'm going to test my microphone. So I'm going to pick my microphone. And sometimes when you have a different microphone, you'll need to change that. But it recognizes my microphone right away. So I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to record my voice. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to press stop. And now I'm going to listen and see if I hear my voice. No, I wasn't able to hear it too good. So I'm going to try again. So I'm going to raise this volume a little bit. I'm going to change this to single talker and record again. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Yes, that worked great. Yes, now I heard it. And it says, is everything good? Now you can just change the volume, it says, whatever, it's good. Now, so, in order for me to hear you at the other end, you have to click talk. So, if there's someone else in the room and you click microphone, that means they can hear you. All right, now if you want to hear them and you don't want to talk, unclick the microphone. And now someone else will have the microphone and they'll be able to talk to you and you'll be able to hear them. If you have video, you would click this. If you want to check what you look like before you click video, you click that. And that's really all we'll need. Audio, video, people in the room. This is text chat, so we can text message each other here. All right? And this area here is for all the learning. So we can put PowerPoints up here. We can put pictures. And we can discuss the pictures. So if we want to talk about this picture, everyone in the class can see it, and they can actually draw on the board. So if I ask the class to circle something, or if I ask a student to circle something, like circle the horizon, they can pick up a pen and do something on the board. All right? So I'll be your moderator, and you'll log in and do this, and I'll give you some things to do as far as the grant goes, or you can show me a PowerPoint, what you're thinking of. We can collaborate, and we can use this as a virtual classroom.
Okay.
I can actually use this and share my entire desktop with you. So if I click share, the people in the class are actually going to see your whole desktop now. So if you do anything here on this computer, I can see it wherever I'm located.
Okay.
All right, if I want to stop, I just hit stop. That's this button right here at the top. If you want to take a picture of the desktop, so you're taking a picture, you can actually just click picture and it goes onto the whiteboard. It's just like a smartboard. Now I'm going to hit stop. So you see it took a picture and it put it on this board. So I can actually change the page and go back to that one or change the page. And here's the picture of my desktop. What else can I do? The other thing you can do up here is get a new page. And this is the whiteboard. So this is if I'm going to share my desktop. And this one is actually to take me on the web. This one. Take me on the web, share my desktop. This is the whiteboard. So I may play with these three buttons here and do things when we're together in the classroom. And that's about it. So we can text chat. We can see who's in the classroom. And you can answer a poll here. So I can have A, B, C, D also. You can change that. If you have a question, you just raise your hand. If you want to go to the bathroom, you just tell me I'm going away. And if you want to tell me that you understand or you are clapping for someone's presentation, you don't understand, you do that. So if I'm in a virtual location, you use these to communicate with me. So actually this classroom is used in universities all over the world.
Wow.
So I think if we start with Skype and we start with this, we're going to get a good feel of what we can do in a virtual classroom.
Okay, great.
All right, so I'm going to log off of this and